this is our new spot for the night. It might be a little noisy right now. I'm not sure if it gets quieter later. It's Highway 93 in Montana. It's just north of Missoula. It's the Gray Wolf Peak Casino, as you can see there. They have a few sites, and if you get a membership with them, it's a free night stay. And that rig is from Wisconsin also. I found out we were going to stay here, and they said, oh, that sounds like a great idea. So here they are. So you had to get a membership?
A player's card, I think it's called. Player's pass.
Yeah, and did that cost anything? And of course, we'll only stay one night here. This is the first vacation that we have taken that we have gone this many days without unhitching and staying for more than one night anywhere. I wanted to look at the view of the mountains again. Go. Hi. Yeah. How's it going? Are you handling this okay? Last night he got a little feisty and had to play with him. He had to bring out his toys because he was getting kind of bitey. But anyhow, one night, and tomorrow is the big day, crossing the border. So, talk again.